just look down inside the tank. And that's the flap that opens and closes. It's all on the inside of the tank. There's a small mini micro server that operates the flap. It's tied to an eye in there that lifts it, and then the arm itself comes down when it's closed and pushes on the top of the flap to help it seal a little bit. Not much pressure, but just enough so that it doesn't make the servo scream. This would be a lot better done with a waterproof servo, because it isn't the first one that I've ever had in here, and I seal them up as best I can, but water has a habit of sneaking in everywhere. So anyway, that's what we've got. And then the pump is down in a bucket of water here, just for the purposes of this little exercise. And as it turns out, this is going to be a water recycling program, because most all the water that comes out of the tank goes back in. So to start the demo off, I'm going to close the flap.
RSSI critical. Flaps down.
And there it is. So now the pump is controlled by this little Hobby King switch that you see here from the radio. So it's on the same switch the door's on, just on the other half of a 3-position switch. So here we go. We should see water come in. And there we go, water's flowing into the tank. Probably can't see it because it's clear. But anyway, this tank holds about 400 cc's when it's chock full. Probably only need about half of that to get a decent show out of it though. But you see it's coming up. And so we're topping the valve, and we'll call that enough water for now. So the flap is closed and the pump is off now. You fly around, do your pass, and then you trip the valve, and out the water goes. Okay, close the valve, start the pump again. What the object is to show you the effect of having a slot instead of a hole in the bottom of the tank, so that when the water comes out, it disperses from a large area. And then I'll write some text to explain it, maybe in more detail than having a long video. So here we go, pump off, and we let the water go. Here comes the dump. There you go, and that's how it goes.